So we're going to go ahead and push the start stop button without push and hold until our gauges come alive here to get into our options. And we're going to go and use the 2 here and our scroll button, and we're going to go over into the information. Now we're going to go use the up and down for the scroll. We're going to go to our fuel filter option, fuel filter life, so we're 0%. Now if you don't have this in your dash, we're going to go back up and we're going to go to edit. When you go into edit, you can go up and down in this menu, and we're going to go to the fuel filter life. We're going to, if it doesn't have the check mark, we're going to select it by pushing on the center button here, and see it'll unselect it or select it. We want to select it. Then we're going to hit our back button, so left. Then we're going to scroll again, and we're going to go to our fuel filter life. So right there, fuel filter life, and we're going to press and hold this for 2 seconds. 1, 2, and it reset to 100%. Fuel filter life, 100%. Now you can go ahead and you can shut off the key by pushing the button. All right, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. If you're feeling generous and you want to donate some coffee money, hit that thanks button. Thanks for watching.